Welcome back to Crypto Nitro, everybody. My name is Finn here with Crypto Nitro, and today we're going to take a look at Zakat Coin, Zakat Coin. Tell me below how to pronounce it correctly, but definitely looking interesting. Let's get right into it.
This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research for every investment you make.
So ZKTC is the ticker, I guess, and the coin is called Zakat. I'm sorry, my German brain can't really. That's a weird word for me, man. But yeah, nonetheless, it looks really interesting. A new kind of currency with giving at its core. A coin built on faith where every transaction gives back. Give as you grow with Zakat Coin. I'm going to call it Zakat now. I think it's Zakat. So how does it work? Let's go into it. How donations move through the system. Step 1. Transacting Zakat Coin, every action triggers automated donation and distribution across the ecosystem. Step 2, small charity tax from every transaction is routed directly to the CZW charity wallet. And in step 3, automatic distribution from the charity wallet to vetted charities and NGOs. Okay, pretty simple, I guess. You hold, we give other coins, pay you to hold. Zakat Coin gives to charity on your behalf, matching your donation for every qualifying month you hold from a reserve set aside for just giving. Try it out, you're holding. You giving, let's say, $5,000. Your giving rate 2.5%. Month you hold, let's say, crypto. Let's say, yeah, 3 months. At purchase, 2.5% goes to the charity wallet. You keep holding $4,875. Each month, we match half from our reserve, $62 per month. So basically, if I get this correctly, with you giving $125 to charity, a total of $312.50 is given to charity, which is really nice. I really like these charity projects, or the projects that have charity systems in place. I think that's a really cool thing. Doing token ecosystem, we have the utility engine token, the ZKTC, the fuel of the ecosystem, every interaction, including acquisition, holding, or transfer, and support automated giving through the platform's giving engines. And then, so that powers giving engines, unlocks rewards, enable governance, and facilitates ecosystem access. And then there's ZUSD, stable value rail designed to help charitable movement remain easier to track, easier to settle, and less exposed to market volatility. So that's a stable coin then, I guess. Volatility shielding, stable donation flow, immediate settlement, and transparent audit trail. More than a coin, Zakat Coin is a whole network built for giving, verified charities, structured distribution, and public visibility. They also have ZakPay. Okay. And then there's a verified charity network. And here's a featured film. This looks really high quality. This looks really high quality. Okay, they're on big crypto meetings as well. Oh, I love that. That's really cool to see. I like that. I mean, charity is such a cool thing, honestly. I mean, just think about it, right? You don't have to spend much on charity, but if you just spend $1 each month, right? Each month on charity, that's $12 per year. If that 1,000 people do that, that's $12,000 a year. If 1 million people do that, and so on and so on. The more people that just spend $1 on charity every month, and here you can make it even easier. You buy for, let's say, $300. You spend $7.5 on charity once, and they add each month that you hold $4 roughly into the pot. If you hold it for 24 months, your $7.50 have gone into $100 of charity donations. That's really, really amazing to see. I really love that. That's so cool to see. But currently, they call it a reserve. so you can go ahead and reserve an allocation. All right, we're now looking at the CoinStore Launchpad, where you can subscribe to the ZKTC token. It's starting on the 5th of August, and then is running for 5 days until the 10th of August, and an hour later after that, the allocation results go live. So this is a subscription, pretty much a pre-sale, or a form of a pre-sale. The way it works is that you can put money on it with subscribing to it. Let's say you put 100 USDT. You can see up here the price per ZKTC is per token, it is 0.01 USDT. Now this price stays like this only if the total supply isn't exceeded. So you can see up here the total supply is 400 million, so that equals 4 million USDT. If the people allocate, let's say all the participants allocate exactly 4 million USDT, then everybody gets their 1 ZKTC for each 1 cent pretty much they allocate to it. But with the subscription model, the way it works, pretty much you can read about it, everything down here. As if more than 4 million is pretty much committed by participants, let's say 8 million USDT is committed in total, then that those tokens, the total supply, the 400 million, will be split equally, or not equally, but equal to the amount each person put in. So, for example, the price would be then it would halve itself, so 0.05 USDT, 0.005 USDT per token. So the allocation stays the same, the total supply, but it gets split equally. So if you would, for example, have put in exactly 1% of the total investment, you would get 1% of the total supply, in simple terms, pretty much. And you can read about it more down here, how it exactly works. You can also increase the cap of USDT that you can put in by, for example, doing advanced KYC. You can increase the cap by 1000 USDT, and then also for each person you refer, it gets increased by another 100 USDT. And therefore, you have your own personal hard cap of how much money you can put in. The link to this launchpad is also down in the description for you to check it out. But like always, no financial advice. I mean, I like what they're doing. The project looks amazing, honestly, to me. I love what they're doing. Obviously, not amazing in the kind of sense of you should buy this, because you should never listen to a YouTuber saying anything on buying something. Please do your own research and everything. It looks amazing to me in the sense of what they're trying to accomplish here, how they structured everything and so on. It looks really, really cool. If you want to check it out for yourself, all the links, like always, down in the description. Check it out for yourself. Like always, no financial advice. Please do your own research, read into the project a bit more, and find out if you're interested in it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one.